Have you ever seen this model of a celestial sphere? This can help us study the movement of stellar objects in the sky. Let's take a look at the structure of this model first. At the center of the model, there is a blue sphere representing the Earth. This golden sphere represents the Sun. The outer shell represents the celestial sphere. There is a circular disk around the Earth. It represents the horizon. By adjusting its orientation, we can obtain the horizon at different positions on the Earth. There are two knobs at the top and the bottom of the model. One of them is used to control the movement of the Sun on the celestial sphere, and the other the rotation of the Earth. The rod at the bottom represents the axis of rotation of the Earth. Now, adjust the orientation of the model such that the North Pole of the Earth is at the top and the South Pole is at the bottom. Draw a perpendicular line from the South Pole of the Earth until it intersects the celestial sphere at a point. As it is at the south of the Earth, it is called the South Celestial Pole. Similarly, the point where the perpendicular line from the North Pole intersects the celestial sphere, it's called the North Celestial Pole. On the surface of the celestial sphere, there is a line midway between the North and the South Celestial Poles. The line divides this celestial sphere into two equal halves. It's called the celestial equator.